alcohol free. Oh, back to work.
Can you turn up my headphones? Turn up my headphones. I'm the only one in here, so I'm gonna turn up my own headphones for myself. Thank you. You're welcome.
Trying to make microwave popcorn in a microwave. I am on that wave. I am on that wave. Trying to make microwave popcorn. I'll take the packet of the plastic. Reading the directions on the back of the package. Volvo Redenbacher, you're a savage. I'll put the packet on the glass.
What glass? The little glass dish in the microwave. Got it.
I close the door.
Which door? The door to the microwave.
What is wrong with you? Follow the rules when you're a studious guy. Insert the packet, set the power to high. Cook for 1.5 minutes to 2.5 minutes. Kind of a wide range. Trying to make microwave popcorn in a microwave. I am on that wave. I am on that wave. Trying to make microwave popcorn. The popcorn's done. I open up the door. I take it out. Damn, that's hot. Super hot. Makes sense. I open up the packet. It smells smoky and the kernels are black. Shit. I burned it. I burned it. Yes, for real. I'm giving up. I'ma eat a bag of skinny pie. I look back at the microwave. Wait a minute. I missed this button. There's a button. There's a button. Says popcorn on the microwave. I am on that wave. I am on that wave. Trying to make microwave popcorn.
Shut up.
Trying to make microwave
Popcorn. Well, that's it, guys. Oh no, wait, hold on.